So next is you generally hear is something called an agent, right? Now we talked about continuous. We saw what is continuous integration, continuous deployment, which is basically a set of tasks. Okay, so and an agent is a server or is either an environment which executes the tasks configured in your CA and CD, which is not your actual server where application is running, but this is the server or a PC which executes the tasks configured in your CI/CD so that the application can be deployed or built. So every whichever tool you pick up, and you will either use an inbuilt agent or you create or you set up your own agent so that your CI/CD can execute. And then any tool, as I said, all the commonly used tools have both agents which they provide as well as you can set up.